fundamentally, we struggle with how you can be a seed brand and not have seed production capability.
I think that there is a lot of pride in being able to produce our seed crop ourselves.
And we've got a product lineup that is second to none in the industry.
There aren't many others our size or scale that are selling just hybrid seed corn. And it allows us to focus all of our time and energy to provide the best product to our farmer customers and to service the heck out of it.
We do 100 things just 1% better.
From the research side to how well it is produced, and that's what makes happy, loyal customers.
I don't think there is any one big thing. I think it's a lot of little things.
It's those 100 little things that we really focus on and put a lot of attention to detail.
From the very beginning, our father and the entire business has been on producing a high-quality seed, relentlessly working together to help our farmer neighbors grow a more productive and profitable crop.
So there's a trade-off in between producing your own seed and having somebody else do it. Sure, it frees up a lot of your time, your capital resources, but you cannot control the controllables.
We are, in a sense, control freaks.
There's countless steps along the way that we can put a big influence on and make things better.
Purity of that product throughout the process, eventual harvest and how well it's handled, all the way through the time of being put into the bag, you can affect the final product by 5-10 bushels to the acre on how well it was produced.
Go the extra step, the extra mile. We're gonna ship everything by the customer, how they want it, on the pallet. We're gonna deliver it to your doorstep with our own trucks, with our own people.
The customer is the most important piece. If you don't have a customer, it doesn't matter how good your product is. The quality standards that we set are higher than anybody else in the industry.
From a quality perspective, we have folks on the team that have ranged from being here for just a few months to we had our first 40-year employee.
The thing that contributes the most to the success of the company is the product and the people.
You got to start off by picking the right people.
And it's very encouraging to see how much of an impact we're making across the Midwest for all of these family farm operations.
What we try and do is handle this seed so carefully that when we sell a bag of 80,000 kernels, more of those 80,000 kernels are going to grow from a Wyffels bag. And that gives the customer a lot of value when they have that confidence that their seed is going to grow in tough conditions.
We're not going to rest. We're going to continue pushing. We're going to continue innovating, thinking about different ways that we can elevate product performance for our customers.
So there's that happy medium of having the right people that understand our seed production and putting that technology together.
The capital investment is a significant cost that we're willing to invest into.
I would say the investments we've made over the last 5-7 years are generational.
Our ability to compete at the farm gate level is second to none.
I think we better understand our customers and their operation and what's important to them.
Reliability and fulfillment of product to the customer. We do a fantastic job, and it's wrapped around one of our semis as you order it and we deliver it.
At the end of the day, we all have a lot in common. We all have a lot of skin in the same game, trying to raise a better crop a year from now.
I'm a grower as well. I come from a family farm. I use the product that we produce. I don't want products on my farm that aren't top quality, aren't the best. And so when I'm pushing products out the door, I want you to know that that's a product I want on my farm.
Are we going to be perfect? No, but we better be damn close.